every DP is recursion, but every recursion is not DP. Why and how? Let's see. Let's take an example of factorial here. Suppose I am asking factorial 4. So basically factorial 4 is nothing but 4 into function 3. Similarly for function 3, calling the same function for 3 into function 2. So basically simple definition is recursion means calling this function again and again. But every recursion is not DP. How? For this, let's take an example of Fibonacci series. What Fibonacci series says, for n is equal to 0, 0, for 1, 1, and for 2, it will give you the summation of previous number. So n is equal to 2, summation will be 1. For n is equal to 3, summation will be this 1 plus 1, 2. For n is equal to 4, summation of this 1 plus 2 means 3, and so on. So here we can say for function n value, you need to call function n minus 1 plus function n minus 2. Why? If you will see here, for this n is equal to 4, you called n minus 1 plus n minus 2. So here let's take the n value is equal to 4. And now we will draw the tree here. So for n is equal to 4, we will call function 3 n minus 1 and function 2 n minus 2. Again for function 3, we will call function 2 n minus 1 and function 1. And similarly, we will call for 2 function 1 and function 0. You know this is recursion, right? But when we saw any repetitive task doing again and again, see here also we are calculating function 2 and here also we are calculating function 2. So DP says when there will be overlapping sub-problems or repetitive tasks you are doing, so time complexity in recursion will be so high, somewhere near around 2 power n. And hence the DP says when you have calculated answer for function 2, create an extra array called DP and store the return value for that function here. Suppose for 2 we have 2. So when you will encounter the same function, you will check in the DP. If the answer is already calculated, you will not call the recursion function and hence you will return the same item. So basically DP is nothing but recursion plus optimization. So that's why every DP is recursion, but every recursion is not DP. I hope this was helpful. If you want to learn small concepts within 60 seconds, do follow for more.